Pindi Dadan Khan is a historic town located in the Jhelum district of Punjab, Pakistan. It is situated at the foot of the Salt Range and is known for its rich cultural heritage, historical significance, and natural beauty. The town has a long history that dates back to ancient times. It is believed to have been founded by Raja Pindi, a local ruler, and was later named after his son Dadan Khan. Over the centuries, Pindi Dadan Khan has witnessed the rise and fall of various civilizations and empires, including the Mauryan Empire, the Ghaznavids, the Mughals, and the British. One of the prominent attractions in Pindi Dadan Khan is the historic Rohtas fort. Built in the 8th century by Shakar, this magnificent fortress is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and stands as a testament to the architectural brilliance of that era. The fort's massive walls, intricate carvings, and strategic location make it a must-visit for history enthusiasts. Another notable landmark in the town is the Khewra salt mine, which is one of the world's oldest and largest salt mines. Located approximately 8 kilometers from Pindi Dadan Khan, this mine offers a unique experience for visitors. Inside the mine, you can explore stunning salt formations, underground tunnels, and even take a ride on an electric train. Pindi Dadan Khan is also blessed with natural beauty. The surrounding salt range hills provide a picturesque backdrop to the town. The area is dotted with lush green fields, freshwater springs, and serene lakes, making it an ideal destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Hiking and trekking opportunities are abundant in this region. The town is known for its vibrant culture and traditional festivals. The annual Urdu of Baba Farid and Shakar, a famous Sufi saint, attracts devotees from all over the country. The festival is celebrated with great fervor and includes Qawwali performances, spiritual gatherings, and colorful processions. In terms of local cuisine, Pindi Dadan Khan offers a wide range of traditional dishes that are sure to tantalize your taste buds.